I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
What's up mga kabudol? So, tatry natin ngayon the Tactical Solutions SQD in stainless steel. So, we have a decimal meter. We will show it later habang pumuputok. So, we're going to fire one round without the suppressor and one round with the suppressor para malaman natin how many decibels it is. Right, so range is hot. Okay, firing tayo. Pakita natin yung decibel meter sa video. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, firing tayo ha. Firing. Okay, so firing naman tayo with with the suppressor. So pumalo siya ng 117.5 decibels. Okay, tatry natin with the Tactical Solutions SQD stainless steel. Alright, so we're gonna fire naman with the Tactical Solutions SQD titanium, titanium pala to. Weapon shot tayo, ready? So kanina 117 decibels, tignan natin kung ilan ngayon. Okay, weapon shot. Firing tayo. Ilang decibels? Isa pa nga tayo. 85. 85 siya. Isa pa. Firing tayo. 1, 2, fire. 86.1. 86.1 siya. Pakita natin. 86.0 kanina. Okay, isa pa. Fire ko ha. Pakita natin yung decibel meter. $86.3. So nag-86.3 siya kanina. So yun guys, Tactical Solutions SQD, titanium and stainless steel. Kuha na, Bayaman Power. Alright.